Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Scarfinger, aka Mike, aka PTCAC representative, and I'm back, and I'm going to do a series of paintings today. It's been a little bit, life stuff and all that kind of stuff, but I'm going to be using the leftover paint from the last couple of bedroom paintings that I made, and it's been sitting for a little bit, so this might be cause of disaster. I expected to make this painting sooner, and I did not. But before we get to the actual painting, I wanted to say thank you to everybody who subscribed. I did reach my first goal, and it's been really awesome to have the support of all of y'all. I do want to say congratulations to my homeboy Cam. I put all of the comments into a YouTube comment picker, and his comment is the one who won, so I am going to be making a painting for him very, very shortly. But today we're going to make this one, and it's all of the same colors as I had before. It was just what I had left. I'm going to flood the canvas with some white, and then just do a straight pour of what's left. I don't know what's actually in this cup at this point. I don't know whether it is starting to clump up or anything. So this has the capacity for going really, really bad. But we're gonna find out together. So one moment and we're about to get it. Back. What's going on, y'all? And this is what I came up with. Now, y'all have to excuse the light. I'm recording in a different place right now, so the light may be a little bit of an issue, but we just gonna roll with it. I actually love the way this came out. That metallic sapphire is absolutely beautiful, but in like a straight pour tree ring style, it really came out. I flooded the canvas with the white, and once I started moving everything around, I kind of decided that I wanted to keep a little bit of negative space, but I did pour a little bit in the corners, and I think it works out well. I really like this painting a lot. I may actually try this on a larger painting, maybe use some different colors, but definitely that metallic sapphire. So let's go to the corners. As you can see, those lines with the metallic sapphire and the other colors are just freaking dope. And in the middle, I kind of saw it clumping up a little bit when I was nearing the end of the straight pour. I don't know how to do anything to get this light out of here. but like the rings are very well defined. I typically don't get a whole lot of strong rings on tree rings or straight pours, but this worked out very, very well. I'll be very interested in how this dries. So there's the painting. I like it a lot, and I think I want to try this on a larger canvas. So stay tuned for that whenever I get around to it, because I got a bunch to do today, and I will see y'all shortly. So do the things, like, share, subscribe, all of the things. Refer your friends. I'm doing another giveaway at 100. That's going to happen, but I'll record a separate video for that. So until next time, peace out.